Hey everyone, today in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the EBL 8-pack of rechargeable AA batteries. This is also available in a 16 count version as well, depending on how many batteries you need. EBL did send us these batteries, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly our own. This does include a battery charger as well with those 8 rechargeable AA batteries. LED battery charger, lithium ion rechargeable batteries, 8 pieces right there in the box. We have some of the key specs here on the side for you. Indoor use, smart intelligent charge, 5 volt, 2 amp hours. You get the idea there. The backside walks us through even more details for the charger, specs on the charger, and what's included in the box. Let's go ahead, let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, first things first, we got our charger right here. Take a look at that. Looks great, plus minus clearly labeled for us. Specs on the back side if you're interested. USB Type-C. EBL's branding on it. User guide and manual. Again, the model number is C708S3L for those that are interested. They'll walk us through the specs with the LED indicator. This can charge AAA batteries as well too, for those that are wondering. Key features, working conditions, how to use it, size and weight, and then everything repeats in multiple languages. Then we have our USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable. And then last but not least, we have the batteries right here. Rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, 1.5 volt. Let's open up the case. Let's take a look at these batteries. All right, let's take a look right here. 3,000 megawatt hours, lithium ion. This is gonna be really high capacity. Rechargeable, low self discharge, plus minus end. And again, we got the 8-pack, but you could get the 16 count of this as well too if you prefer. Now let's go ahead, charge them up. Now let's plug them in. USB-C cable right there. Plug it in. Take a look at that. Got our lights illuminated. They're all red while it's charging. Let's go over the charging indicators here. Solid red means it's charging. Solid green means it's fully charged. Red blinking means it's either a non-rechargeable battery or you have a bad battery. So that's what you can expect with the indicator lights. I got the perfect place to install the batteries right here with our Blink outdoor camera. So let's pop this off. There we go. Back in business.